All right, so what did we get for our slopes on this? For this first one, what did you guys get? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you should get negative, or some combination there. So negative 17 over 3. What did we get for the second one?
I didn't get that.
Okay, I'll give you a couple more minutes. Totally fine. We got plenty of time today. Try it. Because you're turning this in today. I'm going to put the formula up here for those of you that haven't gotten that far yet. M equals y2 minus y1 x2 x1, like that. Okay? Give you a couple more minutes to work it through. Awesome sauce. Yes, we're gonna mosey towards 500 passes because it's gotta be. Maybe you don't have to mosey me, they just have to find them. Okay, what are we thinking? I get an answer on the second one yet? What do we get on the top, putting together our fraction? Negative 24 over negative 8. Does that simplify? It's 20. Does it simplify? To what? 3. Okay. So this is one of those examples of I'm not always going to work every single step. I'm going to look that you did work the steps when you turn it in because you can turn your warm-up in today. Oh, snap. Easy peasy points. You just got to do it. I even give you the answers. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to remember how to graph a line. We did this last chapter. Bunches and bunches. So we're going to remember how to do it because, oh, snap, that's going to come up again. So we get to do arts and crafts again. Yay. I'm going to do 2 graphs today. And we'll spend the rest of the time on the house. is going to come up again. So here's our first equation. Y equals negative 1/3 x plus 2. What form is this in? Slope-intercept. So y equals mx plus b. How do we graph something from slope-intercept form? Yeah, we're going to start at our y-intercept. In this case specifically, it's 2. So on my y-axis, we're going to start at 2. I'm going to put a dot. How do I find more dots? Yeah, down 1 and right 3. That's our slope, which gives us our rise over run. So we're going to go down 1, right 3. Down 1, right 3.
Is the negative sign just for the top?
You pick one. It doesn't matter if you change it to be, oh, sorry, that's not the pen. As long as you do one of them the other direction. You can either go down and to the right, or you can go up and to the left. It's got to wind up with a downhill slope. So we get a line that looks like that. Okay, slope-intercept form, we've done it a zillion times. Any questions on slope-intercept form? Because we're going to do another one, but not in slope-intercept form. So this was our slope-intercept form. Got to remember how to do that because it's going to come up next week. All right, let's look at standard form, which totally just answered the first question I was going to ask. Haha, what form is it? Standard form. It's early. My brain's not booted. So we're in standard form. You have options when you're looking to graph it.
I assume you're going to this too.
Honestly, I found out about it when I saw that form, so I will.
I'm
yeah,
gonna
probably.
throw it in. How does she know and you don't know? Is she on an email that you're not on?
I was gonna email him today. Yeah.
Okay, so you both got the email.
No, I did not get the email yet. I'm gonna send Jason a
You're
message.
gonna tell them.
I'll talk to Jason. Yeah.
Okay. Here, I'm gonna leave this so you can just literally copy it.
Okay, I'll take a picture so that you can take the form and then.
I will put them in ASAP right when I get back
Okay.
to my desk. See, this is why there's always drama. Like, their lists are not. I'm glad one of you got it.
Right.
But you've been around longer than she has.
Yeah. They changed administration halfway through the summer training, and I didn't go to the new administration start because I went to because it was
So
the
she got on
optional.
the list and-
She got on the list and I did not. Yeah.
No big deal.
No, yeah, no
Okay.
big deal. All right, so when we're graphing from standard form, what are we gonna do? Absolutely fine. You can absolutely solve this into slope-intercept form. If you like graph and slope-intercept form, let's do it. Let's minus 3x from both sides. So we're at minus 2y equals, and I'm going to smush this guy in front just like we did the other day. Minus 3x plus 6. Absolutely valid option. What else we got to do? Divide by negative 2. To all the pieces. And our slope-intercept form is y equals 3/2 x, oh, negative 2, minus 3. You could also come up here and go, I don't want to solve. And do the x y-intercept thing that we did last chapter, where we substitute in 0 for x to get the y-intercept, we substitute in 0 for y to get the x-intercept. Absolutely valid. You can also do this. You'll get the exact same line. We should still wind up with our y-intercept at -3. It has a slope of 3 over 2, so we're going to go up 3 over 2, up 3 over 2, up 3 over 2. Like that. If you did the x and y intercept things, you'd find the exact same thing. That we have an x-intercept where x equals 2. We have a y-intercept where y equals -3. Absolutely just as valid. As long as your line looks like this from however you got there, that's totally fine. Okay? So the graphing of lines thing is going to come up again. It's coming up, and it's going to come up next week. So we need to be really confident on how we graph a line. So you gotta practice it. Speaking of gotta practice. Oh, snap. Transition. You're gonna work on Alex. There is an assignment in Alex for you to work on. It should automatically take you into an assignment with today's date. It's gonna be about shockable shocks graphing lines. Oh my gosh. We're so shocked, right? So, if you don't remember, you're going to go into Canvas. You're going to click on the McGraw-Hill link. All right, things up here. So, we're going to go to Canvas. Then the link on the side. It says McGraw-Hill SSO. That means single sign-on. Then you click, on the first page of the McGraw-Hill page, you click on the Alex. And it should take you automatically right into it. When you finish with the today thing, so you're going to do the September 8. And then when you're done with that, you can work on your pathway. That pathway is individualized, I can talk, to you, and will help you do the things that you need to do to kind of make up some skills we have, push you a little further, working on that pathway. So you're going to do the September 8th to remember how to graph lines. I'm going to put that one in for points. So try. Thank you. And then you're going to work on your pathway. All right? But that's kind of the vibe for today. Pretty chill. Y'all can listen to your music as long as no one else can hear it. I don't care. I'm going to kick on a little music because I don't like silence and y'all are quiet, which is totally fine. Y'all do whatever you need to do for you. But for my own sanity, I'm going to kick on some music. Why did my screens just blank out? Oh, because I opened Spotify and my Spotify's a jerk. That's why. Yeah, I know. No, not on that screen. Spotify, you are a will love it. It changed all my screens around. Everything's on the right screen now. Let's see. No, I have to change that setting.